Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel. I am back, yes. I took last weekend off. I usually post on Saturdays, but I didn't post because I just had some real life stuff I had to take care of. So I hope you're all doing well. Check that out. It's a Microtech SOCOM Elite. This is a budget review. It's just that the budget has to be really huge to get this one. All right. I feel like these are still solid in 2026. All right, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Oh, it's raining, by the way. I don't know if you could tell. It's raining a little bit. We're going to push through. Oh yeah, I've never had a Ram-Lok before. All right, let me see if I can flick this open with my offhand. All right, so there's a little flyby. Yeah, this thing is sweet. These ain't cheap, but real talk. Microtechs are some of the best production folders you can get, in my opinion. Alright, I'm going to cut a few things with this. I don't think people buy these to abuse them necessarily, but let's just cut a few things for fun. Seatbelt strap. Alright. Nice. Alright, what else we got here? Oh yeah. Bike tire tubing. What was that? There you go. And alright, last thing. Got a little piece of wood here. I'll just whittle on this a little bit. This thing is sharp as hell. So how are you all doing? Good? I hope. A lot of crazy stuff in the news that I dare not talk about. I don't even know which way they're censoring at this point. Right, left, who knows? It's kind of all blurring together. This is doing well. But yeah, I was excited to get this SOCOM because, well, it's been a while. I'll show you some comparisons. I have some comparisons in this video as well, because this is my third SOCOM, believe it or not. Now, so the birds are happy because it's been raining. It's been raining all night. And I just finished filming the inside portions of this vid, where I will give you all the stats and pertinent information and discuss this, this steel that this uses and all that good stuff. But I just finished watching like 10 different reviews of SOCOMs, and I wanted to get some usage out there because, you know, most of them are going to be tabletop, right? Which I understand why. I mean, people buy it as kind of an investment, but let's put a little use on it within reason. This thing's an epic slicer. Alright, I mean well, there you go. Perhaps you're considering purchasing one of these, and you're waiting for me to tell you there's a deal breaker. No. Well, there was no deal breaker for me, obviously, because I bought it, but now that it's in hand, what do I think of it? Well, liking it quite a bit. Now, Ram-Lok is a crossbar style lock, but instead of Omega springs, which everyone complained about with Benchmade, this just has a coil spring, it's just stronger and more reliable. I love the tan on this because under the right light it's going to look bronze, and if it was even brighter, which is not because it's cloudy out here, but it'll actually look gold in certain lights. Under enough light it's going to look bronze or even gold. So if you buy one of these, your Microtech will arrive in a box like this. It will come with a sticker and some literature. 4 inches is your blade length, 9 inches overall length, 0.12 inches blade thickness, 5.36 ounces. M390 MK is the steel. Now the current price at Blade HQ anyway is $352. Now when I was researching this knife, I actually found a video maker who had a machine that he could use to test this steel, test the hardness. and his results were that it was around 62 HRC. Now regarding the steel, M390MK, the MK actually stands for Microtech knives. So this is a steel that's made by Bowler, and Microtech actually had them tweak their normal M390 and actually added some improvements that they wanted. So it has even a little bit better edge retention and a little bit better toughness than the normal M390. So here we have a comparison with my other Microtech SOCOMs. Now these two are S30V. There's that big finger choil there, that's the difference. And also there's a difference with the pocket clips. You know, you got tip up versus tip down. People were requesting. So the newest one is a 2-position pocket clip, as you can see there. You know, I've been definitely critical of a lot of old school companies, including ones that I kind of like Spyderco, Benchmade, right? I think a lot of these guys have gotten complacent. K-Bar too. So, do I still like Microtech, or do I hate them like I hate all the others? Actually, I do still like Microtech. That's almost risky to say right now. In fact, before I made this video, I'm like, am I allowed to say I fucking like Microtech? Or I like creeped on to the web and I looked up like scandals and stuff just to make sure, because these days you say you like a company, 2 days later, some crazy scandal. The president of that company, you know, we have tape. He kicked a puppy back in 1962. Nobody, cancel them, right? But I'm going to go out on a limb and say, yeah, I still like Microtech. YouTube, I'm going to do something no one's ever done. I'm going to review a SOCOM in well under 10 minutes. Because I've just been watching all these videos. They're so freaking long. Of course, I don't blame the people because it's a pricey knife. They want to go through every single freaking detail. But now that everybody else has done that, I don't have to. I can just give you the meat and potatoes, right? Most people will make their decision on a purchase like in the first 30 seconds. And they do it by what it looks like and what that appearance symbolizes to them. Am I glad I got it? Hell yeah, I'm happy with it. I mean, isn't that what's important in the end? Is it worth it? To me it is. Then again, I'm a knife collector. I've been into knives for a very long time. I've been on YouTube 16 years. I've recommended many a budget folder, right? So I just didn't necessarily need any more of those at this point. I wanted this. Is it collectible? Bro, anything's collectible. When I was a little kid, I used to like collect bottle caps because, you know, I had no money and I used to collect bottle caps, but they do an excellent job. Very pleased with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're all doing well. This has been We All Juggle Knives. If you like knives, be sure to subscribe to me. You probably already are. I'm out.